Everyone, if you are wondering whether you can get CapCut Pro for free, you might think it's impossible, but there is a method that actually works. Just to clarify upfront, lifetime access to CapCut Pro for free is not available because many of its features are cloud-based. Also, stay away from crack or hack onlines. These there are only ineffective but could also harm your device as well. That said, there is a legit way to access CapCut premium feature at no cost. If you are using CapCut on desktop, you can get free Pro access by inviting friends through your referral link. Here is how. Log into your CapCut desktop account, go to the invite friends option on the left sidebar and copy your unique referral link. When someone installs CapCut desktop using your link, both of you will receive 7 days of CapCut Pro for free. You can invite up to 10 friends, which means you can get up to 70 days of premium access in total. It's important that your friends uses the exact link to download and install CapCut desktop. After they install it, they need to log in and enter the referral code from your link. Keep in mind, this only works if there is a first-time CapCut desktop user. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.